Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna go shopping at HomeGoods. I hope you guys enjoy. Well, it looks like today there is a lot of outdoor patio sets. There's another one over here, another one over there, over here. Oh, these are so cute. They look so different. How cute is this little cup? Adorable. And they also have a chick one too. Look at this. That is adorable. So cute. So much Easter stuff. I typically do not decorate for Easter, but I'm kind of considering decorating this year just because they have so many cute things. So this right here is all clearance. The price for this is $39. Pretty good. Let's see this one right here. This is $15. Regular price was $19.99. Wow, I love flowers. Oh, so beautiful. And then over here the glass is on sale. 15 bucks. This right here is 15 bucks for 6 outdoor wine glasses. Let me see if they're glass. Oh no, they're actually plastic. This place right here, they look like they're made out of glass, but they're actually plastic. And the price for this is $6, which is not bad. Oh my god, this is adorable. The price for this is $14.99. And the flowers are, let's check them out, $29. Oh, let's see. And the flowers are $29.99. They are gorgeous. Oh, everything's so pretty in spring. Oh my god, I remember we saw this candle at Burlington. It smells delicious. So much spring stuff, I love it. Wow, this is so cute. I never seen something like this before. Let's see how much it is. $6.99. And the trash can is $24.99. It is made out of glass, so it may break. But it's pretty cute. White chocolate bath. Pretty cool. So now we're looking at the comforters, and I think this pattern is really cute. The price for that is $120, but it's a king size, so it doesn't fit my bed. Let's see the price. $40. And it's pink. There's a lot of white comforters. Okay, so we're coming to the back again so I can show you guys what is gonna be put on the floor tomorrow. That's what the manager just told me. So by the bathroom, this is always where I come and check it out. So we can see what is gonna be on the floor tomorrow, which I kind of get a sneak peek. And I usually come at night when I can put the kids to bed, so it works out for me. Oh my god, how cute is this bunny? The price for this is $10. And these fragrances right here, they smell so good. They're only $3.99. I can't believe it. There's a bunch of them over there. More sparkly trays. Some toys on that side. Some plates. And I have no idea what that is. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me on the comments down below what was your favorite item out of this whole shop with me. Have an awesome day. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.